quick. We are here at the park. There's a knoll over here. We're gonna go down. We're gonna get to there. That's the idea. Yeah. Oh boy. These are tough. So the steering servo and the servo saver need some work. They're slow and positive. Lock to lock. Let's work that out. Just watch it. You don't have to take it. Just watch it, okay? Watch how cool it is. So there you go, guys. There's the Rival MT10v2. Now, I've heard a couple guys complain about the servo, stock servo, and I did buy another one for it to swap it out. It's a 25 kilogram. I heard the one comes with it is around 10 to 15. Not for sure. Comment if you know, but it can use more steering torque when you're in the grass, probably in certain situations in the dirt. I'm sure, maybe I'm speculating, but that's the stock servo, and it gets a little weak in the dirt. It's fine in the road and stuff, but not if you're like going really fast and trying to turn, and it could use more torque for sure. But other than that, you know, it is stock. We'll get it there. I did do the RPM rear arms. I have the fronts too from RPM, but I haven't broke these yet, so I'm gonna leave them on until I break them. And I've got all the skids for the body. I mounted them this way because otherwise you have to cut it and Dremel it, shave it, and if you roll it this way and it slides on its top, it'll more likely flip back over to its feet. So it's a strategery, if you will. Okay. Yeah, the thing was fun and sick. I hope I got some good footage. I'm gonna cut it and upload it right now. Thanks, guys. Later.